Your SAFARI Montage system comes with default settings set by your system administrator. To customize these settings, including uploading your own profile image, select the Preferences button on the main navigation bar, or click on your name in the top right corner of the page. Most of this page can stay as is, but here are some tips that will help you tailor SAFARI Montage to your own preferences. You are able to adjust certain player settings, including whether closed captioning displays by default, and the length of time still images will display in the player. You can configure your system for use with an interactive whiteboard. Set your default and select which file formats you wish to display in your search results. You are also able to set your preferred document and ebook format preferences. You can change the default settings used when you perform a content search, including the preferred grade range and the number of results you want to appear on a single page. If you decide to adjust these settings, keep in mind that it is best to keep a broad grade range search to find content that might have relevant segments for your students, as well as professional development content for yourself. After you have changed your settings, clicking Update applies them to your system.